Hello everyone, welcome back to Khmerue Team Officer channel. Today I'm CHHUOY again and I will teach you how to make the fires burning on the head. In this video tutorial I will show you, and you can see the character inside the video is a gaming character from PUBG. So the first we have to download the files or the video from the YouTube that is completely free for you, so you can download it for free. And now we're gonna download the files that are also free on YouTube. You can see search at something that is for free. So we have these two video. One is the PUBG characters voice, and the other is the fires burning like this. It looks like it is in black background, but don't worry about it. So I'm gonna fake use for you about this. So the first that we're gonna do is you need to add the video to this track by dragging like this. And now after you have been already dragged the video to the timelines, and you will double click on the video, and you need to select the motion tracking here. So you need to select that, and this place you will to move or focus on the place that you want to do. So now we are focusing on the head, so we move it to the head. If you are focusing on any side, you can move it to the directory place that you want to. So after you have moving it to the head like this, and make sure that your video is only the same clip frames. I mean, it is the same, not the other clip. It's mean the same staying in the same clip. So after you have been already focused on the place that you want to do, just like this, we are focused on the head. So after you select it or move it to the head, you need to click start tracking in this place. So go ahead and click on start. So everything is moving to his head also. After you clicking this, you will see the something that is look like a green screen appearing on the top bar of the video track here. Okay, it means you are already almost done. And now click OK. And the next step is we're gonna add the files, drag it like this to the timelines, and you're gonna click on home to be going to the home, and we need to delete some part of this place because it's still in the black ink. So here is the files, and we need to cut some part of the file to make it fit to the video. So it is here, and now you can see something that inside the video is still in black. So to make it stop black, you need to now we're gonna don't need to do that first. Now we're gonna drag it like this first. Okay, now we're gonna put it to the head of him like this. Okay, and move higher and higher. Okay, it look like a bit bigger, bit smaller. Okay, now we're gonna move it to fit to his head like this. Okay, after you have already make sure and you are already fit, you're gonna click on this drag again and double click on that, and choose this place, and if you make sure that you are on the motion tracking again, and click on this place and select the files here. select the file name of the files here. So now I'm gonna test for the first time is what is happening to him. Okay, now I'm gonna play. Okay, now you can see the fire is running just in the same to his moving, but you still can see a black inside. So to make it stop showing black, you need to double click on it again on the fire like this. The fire track here, double click on that and choose the compositing checkbox here, and then on display we're gonna select on lighten. So everything is now on the lighten mode, and now we're gonna play it again, and you will see the fire is burning inside his head without any black. So this is the way that we can put it on the video. So it look like sometimes it look like not very real, but it is depending on your technique, and it is depending on your increasing, for example, the capacity of this image. For example, don't make it too much stronger or like this, and you will see something that still look like similar like this. So this is the way that we're gonna show you how to make the fires on the head. And the other tip is now we're gonna delete all of this and teaching you one more step that is in the landscape mode. So go to files and select this one and choose the widescreen here and choose only 30 frames per second. And then we have one more video. It is called the mountain here. So the mountain pictures. So now I'm gonna drag it. It is a picture, not a video. It is a JPEG. So now we're gonna add the fires again, the same to the last one, but it look like a small difference between these both. So okay, now we're gonna drag it like this to now to make sure you choose mix to media. So the fire is here black in the first part, so you need to remove some black of that. And now we're gonna cut to fit the background image. So now cut display and click on home to the starting point. And you can see this is not a motion track, but it is the mountains picture, the forest in the mountains. And now we're gonna do is you need to make sure that it is a small tip to show you is double click on that and you only select it to the lights here. So it looks like everything is burning inside the mountain area. So as you can see here, everything is a fire is burning in the mountain. But this is the way, or we can say it is a trick for you that I'm gonna show you, that I will teach you about this. This is my idea, or my we can say my trick that telling you how can you do the fires on the heads or on the mountains or on the other place, other picture, other image. So this video is enough for here, and I hope you guys understand and you will do it by yourself at home with my video tutorial.